Welcome back. All right, we have downloaded the extension. We've logged in and done the onboarding and taken the tour of the app. So now we can just close that app and let's go to a meeting. I'm doing Google Meet, but this works for Zoom and Teams as well, as long as it's in browser. And what you're going to see in that lobby or when you just jump right into a meeting is you're going to see this little pop-up. What's cool about this guy is it's going to grab any meeting details or attendees to add into the context. You can, again, choose your mind if you wanted to change it. And then you can add context here. This is going to go to coach. So you could say, hey, we need to, this is a presentation where I will be evaluator, not a participant, and then coach will coach appropriately. Or if it's like, I'm giving a presentation, help me read the room, things like that. When we click start coach, you're going to see a familiar window pop up. This guy can run in the background though. Some people have chosen to run this in the foreground, but it's big. It is resizable, which is nice, but for the coaching cards, that's what this guy is for. This is the pip, and you'll see how that works once I go into the meeting. One of the things that Congruently is going to do in all the, let me go ahead and switch to the right microphone here. You're going to start seeing real coaching happening, because what Congruently does is it turns on your closed captions. And this is where we're grabbing our transcript right down here. So when it sees that, it goes into what we looked at earlier, the little transcript window right over here. And you will be getting coached during your meeting. And it's going to be in this little pop-up window. So let's go ahead and just get it to send me a coach card real quick. All right. Caught me mid-setup. You can read it's coaching me through this demo. We're doing coachception here. Unfortunately, you can't get rid of this. The captions that's how we avoid using audio. We think there's a lot of privacy concerns with audio, but we can make it smaller. But you can also make your window as big as you like. And the pip, this is where you're going to get coach. So you can pop this up and have it float anywhere on your screen. You can hit this button and have it just live inside of your meeting window. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. I like to put it right up top by my camera, and I typically run my meetings in full screen. So, in a normal meeting, there would be a lot of different faces in here. So it stays out of the way, but it also allows me to make eye contact. If you wanted to run it, coach, over here or to the side, you can. You just click it. It has sort of a dark mode that it goes into when you're using the pip, but you can have it over here to the side and use it. It works perfectly fine. I just don't like to dart my eyes back and forth. So there's several ways to use it. If you don't like the pop-up, you can absolutely close it. I do not close this window or everything will not work anymore and you'll have to click the icon again. But if you wanted to close this guy, that's fine. You get one more chance to reopen it if you want, or you can click that again and it will close it out. But yeah, not getting much coaching here because it knows I'm walking through a demo. But if I want to text to coach just like I can in the other window, I can just do that here. And one thing to note, in this pop-up, new cards appear on the top because it scrolls downward. That way you can have a really, really small window up top. It's kind of backwards over here. They appear on the bottom. And the reason why that is it's just everything flows from the top to the bottom, including the transcript. Whoops, didn't want to do that. All right, so yeah, leave this guy open, let it run in the background. It will dim. And this is my preferred way to do it. I actually will even pop out coach and put it maybe even higher up top. Whoops. Higher up top by my camera. As I said, you can resize it. You can really, really resize it if you want. But yeah, I'll just put it up here. So it's very much out of the way now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks. Oh, if you ever have any issues, just toggle closed captioning. If you ever lose coaching, it'll let you know. Just toggle it. That's how you get it back. That's a Google issue. We're doing our best to fix it. Thanks.